Okay, let's make them dance. Wow. It's bubbling! Wow, look at all that foam. It's kind of like bath bomb. Imagine if we living in there and having a swimming party in there. They're having a swimming party in there. They're having a swimming party in there. Hi family, today we're doing a swimming video again. And the ingredients we need on Elsa water and oil and food coloring. Want to see the colors? We also got pink.
Cool. What else?
And next is tablet. I had it in my next video. These are the tablets. First, you need to make your own Elsa water, and then outside for the food coloring, I think.
So what color would be Anya?
I think she's gonna be the redhead. She's gonna be a redhead.
And what color would be Elsa?
I'll pick. And she'll be a blue head. And then I will put stuff from the red part on the top. Ugh, be careful, be careful. And next, we're gonna put in the perfect. Let me go. I need a small one.
Maybe you should add more.
Too much. Okay. Alright. Okay, 2 drops. Are you happy, family? Good?
That's good.
Static. Now do also Mr. Fall. I wanted the sound. Oops, I did a little bit of an accident. More?
More. Keep going.
I'm doing. Is that enough?
No, keep going.
It sounds like bean. Or should I say key? That enough? I don't have any chance. So that's good. And now for the blue.
For Elsa.
For Elsa. I was relaxing with my teddy bear while watching my tablet and popping my poppet. So do you know why the water and oil didn't mix? The oil is more dense than the water. I'm gonna put it on Elsa first.
Where do you think they're gonna land?
I don't know. They landed in the water, but Elsa landed on the very bottom. Iron and Elsa are the same dense in the water. Now we can make them dance. What
What is the tablet gonna do?
I don't know. Well, let's find out, family. I got 2 ones.
Just one each, okay?
Look, I got some tablets. Okay, let's make them dance. What are they gonna dance? Wow, it's bubbling! Wow, look at all that foam. It's kind of like bath bomb. Imagine if we was living in there and having a swimming party in there. They're having a swimming party in there. They're having a swimming party in there. This is even cooler than ever, family. Family, this is cooler than ever. I can hear it. The tablet causes carbon dioxide, which makes bubbles. I'm gonna go. Now we're gonna do like 3 tablets. 3 for Anna. Actually, gonna start from Elsa, so she can be the crazy one. I'm gonna perfect both at the same time. So let's see who's gonna be craziest. I'm spying on them. Dance, ladies, dance. They're both crazy. Wait, Elsa's more crazier than Anna. This is so crazy, family. Are they gonna explode on me? Hope they I like the smell. The smell's awful.
What about the sound?
Wow, the sound plays. This is my macaroni. Talking Ginger. Remember my Talking Ginger video? I'm gonna make one. So my mom didn't put it on my YouTube channel. I don't mind it. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Wait, how do we get this? I think we need to clean things up. Bye, family. Make sure you subscribe and turn the bell and follow my Instagram right over here. Love you all so much. And we actually want you to clean up, so bye. Don't get dirty. Watch out. Blueberries is coming on. I hope you learned something today. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm a blueberry. I'm a no. It's kind of like bath bombs. This is my microphone. Look, do you want to see my microphone? This is my microphone. And I asked questions, is it? Ooh, this is so much fun making a video. Actually, cool. Ooh.